In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money between bank accounts in Xero. Transferring money between your bank accounts in Xero is a simple way to keep your books clean and accurately reflect internal fund movements. Remember, this process records a transfer in Xero. It doesn't move the money at your bank. Make sure you've actually moved the funds through your bank or plan to do so, then mirror that movement in Xero so your reconciliation is seamless. Start by logging into Xero. Once you're in, go to the main menu and click Accounting. From there, select Bank Accounts. This page shows all the bank accounts you've set up in Xero, along with their balances and recent activity. It's a good place to pause and confirm which account the money is coming from and which account it's going to, so you don't mix them up. Next, open the More Options menu, which you'll recognize as the three-dot icon. From that menu, choose Transfer Money. This opens a dedicated transfer screen designed to create two matching transactions, one that reduces the balance in the source account and one that increases the balance in the destination account. Choose the source bank account, which is the account the money is leaving. Then select the destination bank account, the one receiving the funds. Take a moment to double-check these selections. Picking the wrong direction is a common mistake and can cause reconciliation headaches later. Enter the transfer amount carefully. Make sure the number reflects the total you moved and that you're using the correct currency and decimal places. If the transfer date in Xero needs to match the date on your bank statement for reconciliation, add or adjust the transfer date accordingly. Using the actual bank posting date helps Xero match the transfer automatically when your bank feed imports the transactions. Before you finalize anything, review all the transfer details on the screen. Confirm the accounts, the amount, and the date are exactly what you intend. This quick review can save time correcting entries later. When everything looks good, click Transfer. Xero will create a transfer entry in both accounts, setting you up for an easy match during reconciliation. Once your bank feeds bring in the real-world transactions, you should see a clear suggestion to match them with this transfer, which helps keep your records accurate and up to date. That's all there is to it. By recording transfers this way, you maintain a clean audit trail, avoid duplicate entries, and make month-end reconciliation much smoother.